Hello everyone, I invite you to every Monday's cryptocurrency review. Let's start by checking the current situation on the BTC pair to USDT, taking into account the 4-hour interval. First of all, we will use the yellow line to mark the uptrend, as we can see that the price has now gone a little below. Next, using the blue lines, we will mark the local downtrend channel in which we are currently moving. Now we can move on to marking support areas in case the correction starts to deepen further. And here, in the first place, it is worth marking a strong support zone from $27,566 to $26,637. However, when we fall below this zone, we can see a drop to around $25,398. And then a strong drop to around $21,868. Looking the other way, in a similar way, using the trend-based fib extension tool, we can determine the places of resistance. First, we have a significant resistance at $29,672. When we manage to break it, second strong resistance at $31,385, then third resistance at $32,747. Now let's look at the cross 10 and 30 EMAs, which indicate that we are in a local downtrend. At this point, however, it is worth looking at the EMA cross 50 and 200. We should watch if the yellow EMA cross 50 line crosses the blue line from above, which could indicate a return to a long-term downtrend. Please pay attention to the CHOP index, which indicates that a lot of energy has accumulated. The MACD indicator indicates a local uptrend. On the other hand, on the RSI, we can see that we are moving at the lower limit, which gives the chart a local sideways trend and moments of respite. Now we will check the situation on the second most popular cryptocurrency, which is ETH in pair to USDT. We will focus on the one-day interval. We will start by marking the second trend line, from which, as you can see, the price went up. Then it is worth defining the main trend, which has not been touched so far. Currently, for ETH to beat the main trend, the price would have to exceed around $2,700. At this point, we will also check what the EMA cross 50 and 200 indicate. As you can see, after a long-lasting downward trend, we have a visible confirmation of the return to the uptrend, and despite the current correction, nothing changes. Next, we will define with the blue lines the uptrend channel in which the price is moving from the last low. Now let's move on to checking where the price should meet support in the event of a continuation of the current correction. And here we can first mark the strong support zone from $1,848 to $1,673. But if the price falls below the next support we have at $1,520 levels, third at $1,366, and then fourth at $1,154. Now, in the same way, using the fib retracement tool, we will check the places of resistance for the price if the situation reversed and the price started to rise. In the same way, in the first place, we can mark a very strong resistance zone from $1,916 to $2,224, which, as of now, the price has not had the strength to overcome, but when it succeeds, we will be able to observe an attack on the resistance at $2,543, and then a third resistance at the price of $2,991, and the fourth resistance at $3,573. Please note the CHOP index, which indicates that the energy is starting to gain strength after it has been used to correct the price. The MACD indicates the transition to a downtrend. On the other hand, on the RSI, despite the fact that we see a rebound, there is still room for the price to go lower, which may deepen the correction towards the previously mentioned support zone. It is worth watching whether the designated zone will keep the price. The last one in today's chart is the BNB to USDT chart on a one-day timeframe. First, we will use the blue lines to mark the uptrend channel in which the price is moving. Going further, we can move on to marking the places of support in the situation of returning to the correction. And here, the first support is at $320, the second support is at $300.20, the third support is at $284.80, and then we have strong support at $269.40. Looking the other way, we see that the price is testing the resistance area at $330.20. If it is successfully tested, the price may move towards the resistance at $359.60 and further to the resistance around $398.60. Please look at the CHOP index, which indicates that we have a lot of energy for the upcoming move. MACD indicates that we are moving in a downtrend, while the RSI, despite the recent rebound, remains at the upper end of the range, which may lead to a price correction. Technical analysis is provided by a third party and for informational purposes only. It does not reflect the views of CryptoDaily, nor is it intended to be used as legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.